Today I'm going to be reviewing my new wig. First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I can give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. You can see it comes in a cute little box just like this. So this is perfect for a gift. So you get a wig in here. So in case you don't have a wig cap, this is included. I do have some wig caps, but I always like that they include them, especially if you're a beginner at wearing wigs. This is great that this is also included in your package. And then you also get a little set of natural lashes. So check it out, we do have the wig here, but it does have a little net, so this is going to prevent it from getting tangled inside the box. We'll go ahead and take it out. All right, so these are very nice colors. I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up. It is a mix of brown, light brown, and highlights. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up on that. I haven't brushed it through. I just took it out of the box, but I did want to show you what that looks like. So let me give you a look at how this wig looks. As you can see, it does have the lace front. Has the lace front, and now I'm gonna show you the inside of the wig. So on the inside of the wig, it does have a breathable cap. So take a look, very nice. It's nice and a breathable wig, very good quality. It also has these clips here on this side. So this is going to go ahead and help you make sure that it stays nice and secured. Now on the back side here, it does have these straps. As you can see, it has the strap right there, and it also has this hook. If you want to go ahead and get it a little tighter, you want to go ahead and put the little hook on one of these, make it a little bit tighter. And then again, it also has the clips right here. It has the hooks on both sides with the clip in the middle. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and brush it through. I'm going to go ahead and add the wig cap, and then we're going to try this on. All right, so I went ahead and put my wig cap on. As you can see, my hair is nice and secured. So now we're ready to put the wig on. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have the front. You identify the front and the back. So this is the front part. As you could see, let me go ahead and give you a closer look. So this is the front part, and is the lace front. Once you have the wig on, you want to go ahead and trim this along the edges. The lace front actually gives it a more natural look. You can see it is so simple to put on. You could adjust it. I want my part on this side, so you could move it around however you like. You could have it on this side, you could put it in the middle, just like that, but I personally prefer it on this side. You could brush it through. It actually feels very soft. The curls are nice. Look at that. This is a 10-inch wig. So it's a nice short bob wig. All right, so I went ahead and brushed the wig through. Super nice, super flowy. Take a look. It definitely feels like natural hair. It is so nice, so soft. And the great thing about this is that you could actually use low heat to style it. You could add oil, you could trim it, you could cut it, you could do everything you want with this. Make sure if you do use heat on it, it is on low heat, but it does sustain the heat. But it's actually one of my favorite wigs. As far as the way that it feels, it does not feel like fake plastic hair. It actually feels nice, soft, and flowy. Super cute. They do have a variety of styles available, so if you definitely want to check it out, I'll leave it linked down below. But overall, if you're looking for a nice curly bob wig, then definitely check this one out.